Hey guys, I just thought I'm having some trouble with my 1999 zx-6, as you can see, and it doesn't want to crank over. I just jumped the battery with that, so it's all bright and shit. But we have this guy on, and then when I press it in, the junction box is making a noise. I already looked, there's no fuses blown. The battery is as good as it's gonna get, and I was just wondering if anybody has any idea what's wrong with it. I am not sure, and I'm just trying to get it going, so let me know. I'll do it again for you, just one more time. Well, that's it.